Piccola simplify your life. This is a refrigerator thermometer, and it comes in one box. So yeah, it's metal, and it's sharp on the edge here, but so it comes in 2 Fahrenheit, and then it's in the centigrade on the inside, and it has the freezing point there, and the warm, if it's in between this, it's refrigerator, freezing point here, and it's a refrigerator point here, which is below 0 degrees. And yeah, it's just a basic refrigerator or freezer thermometer. So okay, freezing, ref warm up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 30 degrees centigrade. Yeah, thank you.